all I could do is just give justice to her for now. That's all we could do for now.
Maya Milete's family reacting after learning her husband, Larry, will stand trial for her murder. A judge issued the ruling today. Maya's body has never been found. Her family's still hoping to find her. ABC 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo is joining us now live. And Laura, there was a lot of emotion in the courtroom today.
There was, Kimberly. Maya's friends and family cried during the prosecution's closing arguments as they heard those arguments, only growing more emotional when the judge said that Larry would in fact stand trial for his wife's murder. Now, Larry was also in the courtroom, as he was for the 10 days of this preliminary hearing. He showed no obvious reaction to the judge's ruling. It took 10 days for the prosecution to lay out their case against Larry Millete and why he should head to trial for murder. The prosecution brought up nearly 20 witnesses, including investigators, friends, and family of Maya's. For Maya's family, the hearing revealed information they say they never knew, like Larry's extensive use of spellcasters in an attempt to control his wife, an affair Maya had with a coworker, and just how much Maya wanted out of her relationship.
That my sister had suffered so much. I didn't know that. I wish I could have known. I could probably help her better. I wish I could have done something.
The prosecution said only Larry had the motive to kill his wife, saying he spent over $1,000 on those spellcasters, his control over Maya's finances, and an increasing desperation to know her whereabouts at all times.
He was so desperate that May Millete not divorce him.
Prosecutor Christy Bowles asked the judge to consider evidence that showed Maya was devoted to her children, preparing for a divorce from Larry, ready to move on.
May Millete did not just fall off the face of the earth. She lived for and adored her children.
The defense didn't bring on any witnesses, but Larry was present for the entire thing. His attorney argued the couple had a good marriage for almost 20 years, suggesting it was Maya that brought on the problems, citing that affair with a coworker. Their explanation for Larry's use of spellcasters, the defense said they were an attempt to help Maya focus on her family to repair their marriage.
He can tell you he loves his wife very much, and he did not kill her.
For Maya's family, a small victory today, but their focus is on finding her body.
I still need to we need to bring our sister home.
Realizing no matter what happens in trial, the families and the couple's children will never be the same.
I don't think there's going to be a winner. It's a tragedy for both sides of the family.
Now, Larry's next court date is scheduled for mid-March, and the jury trial is tentatively scheduled for September. Reporting live in downtown, Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.